Now I am. Hi, Tammy. Tammy.
What?
You got a shadow. You can see my shadow. Hold on. Hold on, I want to see my shadow. Shadow.
Casey.
Hi, Kenzie.
Everything, how much needs to be in it?
Is that my magic stick? That is my magic stick. Give it back.
No.
Did you pop it?
No, it came off the thing.
Nicholas.
Is it aired up? Now I gotta open it for more.
No. Put it over there. No, I want it.
Work! Slave work! It's my tube. I'm gonna go tube in. I should probably stop wasting my recording minutes so they can record me on the tube. Okay. Ryan. Shirtless boy. Smell it.
Lolo flipped me off.
Lolo, you flipped him off?
Wait, do it again.
There's a bubble in the middle.
Woo!
Lolo.
What?
A bubble.
Bubble. There's always a bubble. It separates the two people. Again. Go ahead. Again.
Good enough.
I don't know, ask Dad. Lolo me. Bye bye.